Are you ready to turn your gaming passion into real cash? In this video, we unveil a free mobile app that not only entertains but also pays you to play. Discover how you can earn money while having fun and learn the secrets to maximizing your earnings without spending a dime. Don't miss out. Watch now and start your journey to earning real cash with just a few taps on your screen. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments, and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Unlock cash rewards while having fun. EarnX is a cool GPT app where you can make some extra cash by playing games and doing tasks. And yep, it's totally legit. You actually get rewards from it. EarnX is a game-changer app that makes it super easy to earn money online. With daily tasks, surveys, spins, and watch and earn options, you can make cash on your own schedule, wherever and whenever you feel like it. With its super easy-to-use interface, the app lets anyone jump right in and start earning. You can do simple stuff like answering surveys or watching videos to rack up points that you can turn into cash or gift cards. Plus, there are daily spins for a chance at extra points or bonuses, and you can score more with daily watch and earn options. One of the coolest things about EarnX is its daily task system. It gives you a bunch of quick and easy tasks to knock out every day, so you can get them done in just a few minutes. Plus, the app has surveys that match your preferences and interests, making sure you're always earning points for stuff you actually like doing. One of the coolest things about EarnX is its daily instant withdrawal system. You can cash out your earnings whenever you want, and the app processes it right away, so you've got access to your money whenever you need it. It's a total game changer for anyone looking to make money online without having to wait forever to get paid. To make it even more fun for users to get their friends and family on board with EarnX, there's a cool referral program. You can rack up extra points and bonuses for every person you invite, which is a sweet deal. It's an awesome way to earn some extra cash just by getting others to join the app. With EarnX, you've got a bunch of payment options at your fingertips. You can instantly cash out into popular digital wallets like Paytm and PayPal, or even snag some Google Play credits and free Fire Diamonds. It's super easy to turn your earned points into cash or gift cards for all your favorite digital spots. Why wait? Grab the EarnX app now and start making money today. It's super easy to earn some extra cash on the go and hit those financial goals. Whether you just want a little extra spending money or something more, EarnX has your back. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.